This is the push notification layer for AI agents. Let's go into a quick demonstration and then we can see how exactly you can implement this for free. So let's assume you are in an application and you want to make some changes, right? You can have huge changes, but in this case, let's just try to remove this specific line from devices, right? So I'm going to go back to cursor. I'm going to say find this line and remove it. Once done, notify with Pushery MCP notification, right? And I'm going to give that in quotes and just send it. So technically now what will happen is it will go through the code base, it will find this specific line, and then it would delete it from that specific file. I see that it did a correct match. And now once it has removed it, it will give me a push notification in real time. So let's see. There we go. It has successfully removed that and it is sending a notification to me via the Pushery MCP. So once that is done, what would happen technically is we will see a push notification on our mobile phone. I can quickly go ahead and check my mobile. There we go. And I see the notification right here. And when I click it open, what would happen is it will open up the PWA that we have over there. And we can track all of this within the recent activity. You can see that it says this was sent. And if I go deeper into the activity, you can also see that it was clicked open. Now, this is all cool for sending the initial notification. But what could be nicer is imagine you're running a long task and you want to make some change here, right? So you can basically say, mock run a specific task after asking the user for permission using the Pushery MCP. So what does this mean? Imagine that you're running a huge task and usually what happens is Cursor asks you for questions here and there for admin privileges and you don't really want to give all the privileges. So now what would happen is instead of that, you will get a notification that looks something like this up there. And when I click open that notification, then it asks you a question like this, whether you want to go yes or no. So it asks me, can I run the mock deployment task? This will simulate a build plus deploy cycle. So I'm going to say yes, boom, and then that's it. Then I come back to cursor and you can see that boom, you approved it and now running the mock deployment task. So this is like really, really cool in terms of huge tasks where you can basically just trigger it off your laptop and move away with your phone. And every time there's human in the loop needed, it will just ping you. And this is not just with Cursor, this is with any tool, any agent that supports MCP. You just do a copy paste.